Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I'm out in my landscape today. And in front of us here, I have the Stokesia Peachie's pick. I just love this long blooming perennial. The nice, beautiful purple, kind of daisy-ish looking flowers. I have it planted in a full sun location, and it's about 18 to 24 inches tall and wide. This is just really pretty. I can see it from a long distance back from the house, so it really stands out. I have it planted with some of that Hacklenacloa all gold in the background, so it has a really nice contrast up against that flowering plant. And then you'll see some little splashes of sun patience, some of the magenta in there also, that I think make for a nice look. This is Stokesia Peachie pick. This is a native plant variety. And this is Heidi from Garden Crossings.